Notepad tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to open a Notepad, which you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go down to the left lower corner of your screen where it says Start with the Windows logo icon. Or if you're using a keyboard, you can press the Windows logo button between your left control and your left alt. It's underneath your left shift and your left Z button. If you're not using a QWERTY keyboard, I'm so sorry, I don't know how to help you. So you press that or click on the start icon. It's very convenient. And then you have to, in this area where it shows all your system softwares, you gotta scroll all the way down to find Windows Accessories. Windows Accessories. Let me repeat that. Windows Accessories. And then in between Math Input Panel, and Paint, you will have Notepad. You can right-click it. I wouldn't suggest it. It brings up a lot of big, scary items, and I don't know what to do from there. So if you get into that situation, shut down your computer, abandon hope, throw it in the trash. It's unusable at that point. So left-click it. Don't right-click. Left-click it. And Notepad will open up. Okay, thank you. Bye.